Have you ever felt like your hearing just isn't the same anymore? Strange noises, constant ringing, trouble focusing. What if I told you that this could be directly connected to your brain health? Imagine waking up with a clear mind, feeling energized all day long, and best of all, complete silence. No interference, no buzzing, and your hearing working just as it should. Today, I'm going to introduce you to Audifort, a drop-based formula that's gaining attention for offering a natural, safe, and highly effective solution for both hearing and brain health. Stick around until the end, because I'll show you exactly how it works, why so many people are using it, and where to find the official website with an exclusive guarantee. And yes, the link is right below in the video description. Audifort is a 100% natural liquid supplement, developed in the United States, designed to improve your hearing while giving your brain a powerful boost. Unlike other products that only mask the symptoms, Audifort goes straight to the root of the problem, supporting the communication between your auditory nerves and your brain. You don't need capsules or uncomfortable hearing devices. Just apply a few drops and let the formula do the rest. The Audifort formula combines powerful natural ingredients that help cleanse the auditory system, reduce internal inflammation, and strengthen neural connections. The result? Clearer thinking, reduced noise, improved focus, and a calming, restorative silence. And best of all, it causes zero side effects. Thousands of people have already tried it and are now living a quieter, more peaceful, high-quality life. Can you imagine hearing clearly again, without that constant, annoying noise in the background? In addition to being natural and safe, Audifort is non-addictive, easy to use, and developed by experts in the United States. And there's more. It doesn't just support your hearing. It also boosts your entire cognitive function, including memory, focus, and mental clarity. That's what makes Audifort much more than a hearing supplement. It's a complete brain and mental wellness formula. Still unsure? Here's an important fact. Thousands of people of all ages have tested Audifort and reported real, fast, and consistent improvements. And to ensure your peace of mind, it comes with an exclusive money-back guarantee. In other words, if you don't feel the results, you can request a refund. No hassle. That means zero risk for you. If you're tired of living with ringing, hearing loss, and brain fog, Audifort might just be the solution you've been waiting for. Click now, check out the available packages, and take advantage while the exclusive guaranteed offer is still live. And if this video helped you in any way, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who also needs to hear this clearly. See you in the next video, and take care of your hearing the way it deserves.